let's talk about how long and hard the PAF has really worked on UCAV and UAV production. Even before the Falco UAV was integrated into PAF service, uh, the PAF has been manufacturing high-speed target drone aircraft. PSC Camera has been doing that for many decades. But now, with the Falco UAV, which goes back, on the order of a decade and a half now, you see in 2008, the Celex Galileo Falco UAVs were integrated into the fleet. But these aircraft weren't just bought; there was a big transfer of technology, and these aircraft were actually manufactured in Pakistan, and they were used for a number of special missions, which ranged from law enforcement to many night UAV missions. And they've also been acting as sort of border guards. They have been used in periods of tension here in the aftermath of these Mumbai attacks, period of tension between Pakistan and India. These aircraft were used in operational missions at night. So they've been used for everything from border security to law enforcement operations, which is referenced here, law enforcement. And they've also got live video streaming capability on a secure data link. So over the last 20 years, there's this trend in the PAF to integrate lots of sensor feeds from all kinds of platforms. And even the Pakistan Army, in the deployment of the barrier on the Afghan border, has integrated sensors in huge numbers. So this whole idea of data integration, sensor integration, and sensor fusion, all of these have been things that there's been tremendous investments in. And this aircraft, which remains in PAF service, but there's a large number of UCAVs and UAVs that are far larger, far more advanced, with many more sensors, with greater payload capability, that have been inducted in PAF service since. But this is definitely an important aircraft along the PAF's journey and the PSC's journey to achieve self-sufficiency and innovation in the UAV and UCAV space.